is the strength that never fades. Sometimes I feel weak, like I'm losing the way, but your voice in my soul always tells me to stay. In my darkest nights, you brighten my day. Every battle I face,